The increased military activities and reckless commercial fishing have taken a heavy toll on the region's biodiversity. The lack of communal maritime management has prompted concerns about overfishing. The South China Sea is considered a global hotspot for biodiversity. The region has some of the highest marine biodiversity on Earth, with 571 known species of coral reef alone. Imagine what happens to its ecology if countries try to make artificial islands here. China has built an estimated 3,200 acres of artificial islands, most of which are located in the Spratly Islands archipelago. Dredging or excavations carried out underwater cause coral reefs to break. The construction disturbs ecosystems by changing wave patterns and disrupting the migration corridor of many species. What impact will the escalating conflict have on the fragile marine ecosystem of the South China Sea? The coral reefs are dying, and no one seems to care.